In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search eBay sold listings. This is especially useful for anyone looking to get a sense of the market value of items or for sellers who want to know how often certain products are successfully sold. It's a straightforward process, but knowing these steps can make a big difference in your buying or selling strategies. First, head over to eBay's homepage by typing doebay.com into your web browser. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. If you're not already signed in, simply click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and enter your username and password. Being logged in allows you to save your searches or get alerts for similar items, which can be quite handy. Now let's locate the item you're interested in checking out. You'll find the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the home page. Go ahead and type in the name of the item you're researching. It could be anything from a vintage watch to a brand new tech gadget. Press Enter or click on the search icon and eBay will display all the listings that closely match your keywords. Once you see these results, glance over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice a list of filters you can apply to narrow your search. Scroll down smoothly until you reach the section titled Show Only. This is where the magic happens for sold listings. Just beneath that heading, you'll find an option labeled Sold Items. Click on it. When you do this, eBay refines the results to show only the items that have been sold, along with their selling prices. By checking this data, you gain insights into what buyers are willing to pay and how active the market is for your chosen item. Observing the fluctuation in prices over time may help you make informed decisions on when to buy or how to price your items if you're selling. Remember, continuously monitoring sold listings can help you track trends and demand. If there's a particular item you're interested in, you can even use eBay's Save Search feature to keep you updated automatically. This way, you can develop a better sense of the market's pulse without having to repeat these steps every time manually. In conclusion, knowing how to peruse eBay's sold listings can be a time saver and a game changer for both buyers and sellers. It empowers you with the knowledge to understand the financial dynamics and actual sales happening on the platform. So go ahead, harness this tool, and make smarter decisions on eBay from now on.